Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make TikTok videos. So first of all you need to open your TikTok app. Okay, so now go for in this plus section. So you have to allow your camera and audio, and you can just shoot or you can upload a video from your gallery. So if so okay, then you can add a music from here. You can search for your music, your favorite music. You can add, if I add this one, okay, then you can add any kind of stickers or any kind of emojis from here. Okay, so you can add text or okay, you can resize it, or you can change its font. Okay, font theme and font colors from here. Okay, then you have to click on done. You can portrait it, or you can filter, you can change filter from here. You can landscape it, or any kind of uh, use can use any kind of filters from here, also from here. So okay, then you can save it and go for this right section, and it's uploaded. Another way you can upload, you can add video from this upload section. Okay, click on select, go for next, and you can edit from here. You can add text, you can add any kind of templates. Okay, you can add stickers, effects, filters, captions, anything you want, and you can just save it from here. You can add sounds from here also. So that's it. This is how you can add you can make a video on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.